Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 23rd November to 29th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. So this is for Sagittarius. See, look at here, bottom of the deck. This is a Sagittarius card. So, in this reading you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week in terms of your career, business or money situation, or what challenges or obstacles you could face. If you're aware of it, you can, solve these issues wisely. So this is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check other videos as well. So let's start. Sagittarius, general energies, work, career, business, money situation. Angels and guides, spirits and guides, please help. Sagittarius' general energy, spirits and guides, angels and guides. Sagittarius' general energy, spirits and guides, please help. Sagittarius' general energy, spirits and guides, help. Okay, so let's start here. Wheel of Fortune. So it's a good card moving forward. Two of Cups. This has come in reverse, sorry. Then you have Seven of Cups. Nine of Swords. Page of Wands. The Death. And the High Priestess. So what I feel, Sagittarius, is that, with the Wheel of Fortune, it's like better times are coming to you. And maybe, better times are already here for you, or it's in the coming year with this Wheel of Fortune. So if you have, used your energies wisely, you have centered your energy, and you have worked towards it. So better fortune, better job, better money, better success is coming to you here, or you are already in this space, Sagittarius. You are living larger than life kind of life right now. According to your own capacity, it will resonate differently to different of you here. So Wheel of Fortune, of course, good times coming, good changes coming your way. That's what I get here. But with this Two of Cups in reverse, what I feel, even if it's in your work situation or at home or professional, personal life, maybe, there could be an attitude issue, or you might, become a little, I wouldn't say that, a little harsh with the people around. So refrain from that. That's the message I'm getting. Do not lose your coolness, be compassionate, be still kind, care. This is like, Two of Cups is like, very energy, it's an energy wherein you come together, very peaceful, very loving. So it's the opposite of that now. So you might be in a certain kind of attitude. It could be rude or harsh sometimes. So refrain from that, whether it's with your subordinates, with your boss, with the people you work with, or at home. Yeah. So need to take care of course, what I feel is that, you are in good times, you are into happy space. But it could sometimes make you a little egoistic, so refrain from that. Some of you here, I see also a clash happening, a clash or an argument happening with the people you work with, or there could be certain disappointments with either you could feel or they could feel. So mild arguments, so just be calm and deal with diplomacy, tact, with ease and calmness. Now here it's Seven of Cups. So some of you are looking for expansion. Some of you are still looking for better opportunities in job, better opportunities in business, better opportunities to market yourself, and it's happening online for most of you here. You are looking at various options here, and you're looking and trying to find out information, knowledge. This is what I get here, Sagittarius. Also, some of you might be making luxury purchases, so just keep a track on your budget. You might go over budget here. You're trying to find out prices and, high-end. So luxury purchases is what you are looking at. This is for some of you here, so be careful. It might burn a hole in your pocket. Just be realistic in your monetary approach. That's what I get you here. You're restless about something. There is anxiety, there is restlessness, there is still, maybe there is this conflicts or squabbles, conflicts, squabbles. It could be in your domestic. So you need to handle that. So that is giving you a lot of stress. Maybe at work or you're in your family issue, you are handling some stressful situations. You will be handling. So this could be a source of stress to you. You might feel restless, anxiety. You might not get proper sleep at night. That is what I get here. Some of you will be starting or will think of starting a new creative project. Page of Wands, an opportunity could come to you regarding a creative, it could be it's just a starting energy which you will have to nurture it. You will see growth and success in this. So some of you might start off a small shop or enterprise or a new project which could be a creative project. So something you are starting this week here, or thinking of starting. Page of Wands, or you could get an offer to start. Somebody could come with an offer to you for starting it together. That's what I get here. It could be starting a creative project in your business or in office. You could be handed over a new creative project, or you could be working for some company on a freelancers also could get creative projects which will get them recognition, which will get you recognition, which will get you appreciated. That's what I get here. Then there is this Death card. So there is something you are leaving behind, Saggy. Here maybe it could be you are leaving your thoughts the way you were working before. You wouldn't work. There is a certain new way. You are leaving things which will not work. Actually this is a good thing, like old patterns, something in which you felt stuck, in which you felt drained, which was of presently it is of no use to you. So you are leaving that. But it's like death is like, this is a little painful for you to leave. Maybe a business situation wherein you had put in a lot of work, you decide to leave, or a partnership, you are walking away from that, or walking away from associate. Also maybe some of you walking away from a job, or just thinking away. Emotionally it's not going to be easy. There you will be in pain, you will be in hurt, but then you will decide to walk away. So also it could be just the transformation of your mind, the way you think. It could be in physical terms, it could be in your thought process, or mental terms here. So walking away, that card, totally changing. The High Priestess card here. So you follow your intuition. With this card, it's just like a guidance. Follow your intuition. Don't rush into things. Go with the flow. If there are certain things you rush in, you might fall into some kind of trap, or you might get to know certain things later. If it's a business contract, if it's a deal, anything that you are rushing in and doing, do not go. If at all, there will be an inner voice. If there is a, so intuition is like your inner voice. So you might get a calling. Just go slow, go through the documents, go through the deals, or everything, and go slow. Do not rush into things here. Most of your, I feel that this week you are looking for your happiness. Whatever your heart says, you are going to do that. If you want to work, you will work. If you do not want to, love can be a priority for you here. I see for some of you Saggis here. And you will want to live life now, enjoy more and less of work. That's what I get. Just deal with difficult situations a little calmly. That's what I would, tell you here. But overall, there is a moving forward of your work. You have been carrying, that is a moving forward. And because you have the Wheel of Fortune, everything will fall in place in the short term and in the long term. And, good times are coming for you here. So this is it, Saggy. Let me pull out an angel guidance card for you. Angel messages for Saggy. Okay, so letting go. So let go, learn to let go. So here you have a Death card too. So there may be, in your personal life, professional life, whatever you thought wasn't working, let it go. This will benefit you. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share, and stay blessed. Thank you so much.